For such indices question, what we should aim towards is to work on this equation until we reach a point where a base, for example a to a power, is equals to base to another power. And once we have this, we can conclude that since both the bases are the same, it automatically implies that both the powers are the same. So let's work towards this point. If we look at this equation here, we have 8 and 16. We can sort of, through practice, right, we can see that 8 is actually 2 cubed and 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So we do have a common base where both the numbers can be represented through a common base 2. So let's move towards that direction now. 8 I can rewrite it, 1 over 8 I can rewrite it as 8 to the power of minus 1 to the power of 2x plus 3 equals to 16 to the power of x minus 1. Now let's represent both these numbers in base 2. So 8 will be 2 to the power of minus 3. Alright, so 8 is 2 to the power of 3, and 3 times minus 1 would be 2 to the power of minus 3. Okay, 2x plus 3. Maybe I'll just explain this again over here at the side. As we know, 8 is 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and since we now have 8 to the power of minus 1, okay, so 8 to the power of minus 1, this 2 to the power of 3 is also to the power of minus 1. And by indices rule, am to the power of n is am times n, which means that this is equals to 2 to the power of 3 times minus 1, which is 2 to the power of minus 3. Alright, and on the right hand side, what I have is 2 to the power of 4 bracket x minus 1. Okay, so when we open up the brackets here, we are again going to apply this same rule here, which means that whatever power is within the bracket is going to be multiplied by the power outside the bracket. Okay, so I have 2 minus 3 times 2 will be, okay, so maybe I write it here first, 2x plus 3 equals to 2, 4x minus 1. Okay, so now we can see it a bit more clearly. That is actually a proper expansion. Minus 6x minus 9 equals to 2 to the power of 4x minus 4. And as you can see, we have now reached a point where both the bases are the same, which implies that both the powers are the same. Okay, and to carry on, we just have to say that minus 6x minus 9 is equals to 4x minus 4. Okay, let me bring the x's over here. So minus 10x is equals to 5. So x is equals to negative half. Alright, so that is the final answer for this question. Thank you for watching. Bye.